have an idea of how CPU work. You don't have to know like mathematical algorithm of how the CPU moves pixels from this side of the screen to another. Like, it's not even that deep. Like, it's just telling you this is how the RAM works, physical memory. Here's how it works with the storage versus the CPU. Here's how they all work to make a computer. You need to know what a computer is, how they work, how to troubleshoot them. So A+, CompTIA, A+ certification, one of the first ones I would take if I knew absolutely nothing, because that will give you, after you take that certification, there's 2 different ones that you have to take in order to get the A+. Once you know that, you'll be able to troubleshoot any computer. Like, you'll be able to troubleshoot a laptop, a server, your phone. They're all computers. They all use the same components, essentially, in different configurations. And then you'll have a solid understanding of how cloud works, because it's also a computer. It's a bunch of computers that are somewhere else over the internet. That's pretty much it. And then I would take that one. And then another one that's pretty hot is Google Support IT. I would take that one. I'll take CompTIA A+. I learned everything I need to know about that one. Take the test, pass it. I would do Google Support IT, the basic one that they have out there. They got like 2. I do the basic one. And then I would do Cloud, AWS Cloud Practitioner. After that, I put my resume out there. And then I would do either an internship or I do a entry level. I do entry level, making $15 an hour to get my foot in the door. And then I'd work there for like 6 months. And then I would transition to another organization. That's what I would do. I would take my experience from that place I worked 6 months, and then I would go work at another place and then ask for more money. That's what